Kid Week.
And guys.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Kid Week and Toys. Today we have my fairy garden and we can't wait to open them. Keep tuned because we're going to decorate these a bit different to make this a bit wintry.
It's so cute, Kyra.
Yeah, we both get unicorns. At the back they show you what they come with. So you get, we also have these garden fairies.
We've got some extra ones. Yeah.
And we both get 3 each because I get 2 in my box. And if I add 1 to this, it'll make 3. And then Iris gets 1 in her box. And if we add 2, that'll be 3. So you get 3 fairies each
and that's
in
your
our
box.
garden.
And you've got a unicorn garden, haven't you?
Yeah.
And there's a wishing well.
It's got a mouse with it too.
Ah. Let's have a look.
Aww, that's a cute mouse. So I just got my fairy garden objects up. So this is what I got. I got 2 fairies and a unicorn. And by the way, it's really sparkly on his towel and on his hair. And we love their wings. Look, she has a purple wings. And she has orange wings. And they match their dresses. So that's really cool. So you get this mushroom wreath. It looks really cool. And this is the gate and the door. We also get, I think this.
That must be the house, isn't it? It's part of the house.
I can't wait to build it. It's gonna look so cool.
Yeah.
We've got some flowers, some stones. Oh, we've got some, is that magic glitter? And some grass seeds.
Maybe we can pour it over the house to make it glittery.
Maybe. Right, should we get your one out, Iris?
Yeah.
Yeah, should we do them both at the same time? Iris, what have you got inside your one?
There's a unicorn and a fairy called Belle. And I got stones and thin
That's a mushroom.
mushroom and some mouse and some stars. A star.
Lots of things in there, haven't you?
Yeah, we've also got some grass seeds.
And
What else have you
stick
got?
and flowers.
Wow.
And these are the ones.
Oh, we'll have to see what they are. And we've got
These.
wishing well.
Yeah.
Wow. So girls, because it's winter, we're not going to actually put the soil and the seeds in today, are we?
No.
Are we going? What are we going to do?
We're gonna put like Christmas decorations and some snow on it.
We are.
And we got candy games.
Yeah.
But they're not like ones, they're real ones, so you can eat them.
They're candy ones, aren't they? So these are all the things we're going to be putting
And
inside.
candy canes.
We've got the candy canes. We've got a snowman.
Yeah,
a
we've
tree.
got some snow.
And lots. Oh, we've got a snow blanket. And we've got lots of snow.
Sprinkle on.
Yeah. So first, we're going to put our snow blankets inside, aren't we?
Yeah.
Let's grab our snow blanket and put it inside.
Fit mine
It
inside.
looks so cool.
Yeah.
Next, we're gonna sprinkle on some snow.
See it, spread it out. Let's have a look at yours, Iris. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that snow in there. Should we make the fairy house
Yeah.
and the bits to go on there?
So we just put all the accessories together and all the objects in it, and it looks adorable. So now let's put the Christmas candy canes on.
Make it more Christmassy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Let's have a closer look at your one.
Does it have a little hedgehog? So cute.
You got your
Two
light up mushroom
fairies.
house.
Yep.
Done yours?
That pretty guy.
Looks
so
very
cute.
pretty. And we've got a snowman to put in. Who's putting the snowman in there one?
Mine.
Go on in. So we just put the snowman in the snow. A winter tree as well, didn't we, in it? So guys, let us know what you think.
Yeah, comment down below which one's your favourite.
My one.
My one?
No.
My fairy garden or Iris's unicorn fairy garden?
I don't want God's fairy garden. My fairy garden.
They both look really good and very Christmassy and very
Yeah.
wintry, don't they?
The cat
What's your favourite part about your one, Iris?
and put the stones.
The stones, they're very colourful, aren't they?
Yeah. I like rainbow stones.
What's the favourite part about your one?
I think it's my house because it lights up when you blow it. So cool.
It made music as well.
Yeah.
Wow, it's lit up in there. In the summer, I'm looking forward to seeing what they're really like with the grass.
Yeah, because we're going to add some seeds in the soil.
Which are here.
We've
We've got the seeds.
Yeah.
They're the seeds that come with it, and we get 2 packets of them, don't we? Because
And
get
we
one
will
pack
take
in each.
pictures of these and send these like on Instagram, Pop Jam, or Twitter.
yeah, so
Yeah.
make sure you follow us on there, which is Kid Week and Toys, isn't it? So you can see what they look like in the summer
Yeah.
with all the grass grown.
Now let's open our garden fairies.
So we've got your fairies out, aren't we? So who have we got?
Jasmine, Rosie,
This is Rosie.
and this.
And what flower did she come with? She come with that one. Come with a pink flower. Does it smell? Smell it.
It smells nice.
It does. This is Jasmine.
Hi, Jasmine.
She's pretty, isn't she? Jasmine pretty?
Yeah.
And there are her wings at the back.
Yeah.
And what flower did she come with? We got a yellow flower that time, didn't we? So the flowers are scented, aren't we? And what else do we get?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, guys. That looks so pretty.
This is Sweet Pea and her purple flower.
Go
And she can
further.
hold it.
Yeah.
Does your one smell nice?
Yeah. It smells like... It kind of smells like perfume.
Yeah, they smell quite nice, don't they?
Yeah. I think it might be lavender. So I also got a clip and I got a pink butterfly.
That looks so pretty.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out our other videos. Bye! If you liked watching this video, please like, subscribe and check out our other videos.
See you next time. Bye.